Hi, I'm Wendy Monroe with Simply Foodify, and today I'm having fun cooking with kids, Phoenix and Daphne, and we're going to make fresh vanilla icing. For the icing, we will use 2½ cups of powdered sugar, sifted together with a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 1 vanilla bean, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2½ sticks of softened butter. So put a pinch of salt into the powdered sugar, and Daphne's going to go ahead and sift that into a bowl. And Phoenix, you can put the butter in there. I'll stick that in there. Now the sugar has been sifted, and Phoenix is going to go ahead and blend the butter. Mix. Okay, I'm going to put in the vanilla extract. Oops. You can go ahead and mix that. That's good. Thank you. The vanilla bean? Here's the vanilla bean. And I have to slice it down the middle. I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half to make it a little bit easier. And slice it right down the center. And then those are the seeds you want to scrape out. So you can just take a spoon, scrape all the seeds out. Perfect. Now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. 1, 2. Now mix that in, Phoenix, please. And then afterwards, you'll slowly put that in. Yeah. And then we'll slowly start adding the sugar, the sifted sugar. Do you want to keep mixing? Okay, go ahead. You can go a little bit faster. And I have some sugar cookies here that I thought the girls might want to ice. Look at you. You can each use a spatula and put some on there. And that's how we make vanilla icing.